What better way to beat the heat than a dip in the pool? But to get the most out of your pool when that mercury soars, year-round maintenance is crucial. Joe, preventative maintenance in any kind of home problem is important. What kind of preventative maintenance can a homeowner do for their pool?
It's always good if you can have a maintenance company take care of it. Mainly just keep the equipment working properly, and then everything else kind of falls in place.
What is the number one mistake people make when they're taking care of their own pools?
Chemistry. Most of the time they over-chlorinate their pool, they'll put too much shock in. Just keep the chemistry right. You don't have to over-chlorinate.
What are the pieces of equipment that need the most maintenance or repair?
Naturally the filter, your pumps for leaking, and because anytime you have a leak, it dilutes the chemicals. So it's very important to make sure you don't have any leaks.
What's the most critical time of year when the filter gets the dirtiest?
Winter as far as dirt and debris getting in the pool, and then summer, more chemistry.
Joe, at Clean and Clear Pools, I know you guys get called out for inspections that are on pools maybe 20 years old and haven't really been maintained well, or they just don't seem the same anymore. What are the kind of things you do when you do those inspections?
Well, on the inspections, we like to make sure the electrical's working properly, the grounding, the bonding. Also, we want to make sure that there's no leaks and damaged equipment and valves that aren't working properly. That's the main things we look for.
So it sounds like your number one inspection that you go to first is for safety.
Absolutely. We like to make sure that, it's safe.
Like vacuum cleaners and stuff, and they're not working, can they bring them in and get them fixed?
Absolutely. We are the warranty station for Jandy and Polaris. Yes, we can fix all that in-house.
You have a lot of automated components you could put on a pool. Explain some of the new automations that are available for people.
Well, on the new automations, most of them are operated by apps. So you can be at home or you can be in London and still operate your pool. The new automations are much more precise as far as setting times. So it's almost a must if you have a new pool to have an automated system.
What can people do who are DIYers that want to take care of their pool? Can they come to you and get the advice and their equipment fixed and things like that if they bring it in and talk to you?
Yes, the people in my store are trained, and I set that store up for do-it-yourselfers. We have all the testing equipment to test the water, to test salt cells, and I will answer questions for the customer as well.
That level of expertise is what makes Clean and Clear Pools my certified pool maintenance, pool repair, and pool products Home Show Pro. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.